Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just received the Soundcore H30i Headphones. What I want to do is actually open them up and do first impressions with you guys while I just got them. So I'm going to be doing a further review in the future where I'm going to break it all down, test them out, but I want to give you initial impressions about what I think and kind of what you'd get from doing it. So let's pop open the box and have a look what comes in it. So again, nice packaging there as well. You got the Soundcore label as well. A bit more about kind of what it comes with too. Very interested to see about the 40mm drivers. And 70 hours playtime. That looks incredible actually, doesn't it? Quite a lot of playtime there. Again, that's getting up to the higher end of the headphones I've reviewed. So we take open the packet and have a look. So very kind of straightforward packaging, I can tell already. So there you go. So there it is just there. So there's nothing else in the box. And there's the headphones just there. So nice little package. So again, it's budget headphones. So it's no frills. You're not getting a luxurious kind of feel, but that's the idea when you're getting budget, isn't it? You want to get good sound. So there's the headphones just there. Now they feel quite small actually compared to normal ones. Very, very compact. They look very similar to like the Sony 510, which I reviewed in my other channel many, many years ago. They are adjustable though. Just a script there, just there. And you've got the band there as well. Not a lot of padding in the top too, so I'm interested to see how it fits on my head. And these rotate around. So I'm going to pop it now. Now these, so I'm going to push this out. So the headband's a bit stiff to start with, but that's all part of it. So pop it on. Now these don't sit over the ears. So you know how you've got headphones that have like cups that fit over? If you can see with this one here, it sits actually on my ears. So it's on the ear headphones, not over the ear headphones. The seat are quite small. Again, very similar to the Sony 510 that I reviewed previously. Feel quite nice though. I wouldn't say they're anything to write home about. Looking in the box, you've got a USB-C cable and a bit of a setup guide. How do I turn them on? So we just switch on the, again, first time I've used them, guys, you're doing it live with me. So I assume I hold down the play, pause button. So you've got the buttons there. You've got volume up, volume down, play, and So I held down the play button and I just heard a noise come on. It went bop, 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 bop. So it means it's connecting the Bluetooth. Let's go and get the phone out and see if we can connect it while I've got you guys here. So I'm going to connect it. Now again, 70 hours battery life is quite incredible for a pair of headphones. Very unusual for that. And also 40mm drivers for a budget pair is actually quite high. Now I've just connected the music in there. Let me just play some music too while I've got you guys here. Again, we'll do a full review later, but it's good so you guys can see like while I'm doing it. So let's go. So I'm playing, I'll give it to you guys actually. So if you guys can hear that. So I love my dance music, and the dance music's really punchy. There's a good bass coming through and really good vibrancy of the sounds, which is quite impressive so far. I might go and put on, say, maybe some rock music, so, and see kind of how that sounds. Let's have a look. So we'll go and play rock music, for example, Thunderstruck. Good old AC/DC. Music's coming here. Again, very, very good sound actually, guys, considering. The sound's very, very clear and you can hear the sound stage coming up. The treble's good, the bass is really good. So yeah, I'm actually pretty pumped to be reviewing these. The sound's actually really good. You can use the Soundcore app to customize it. We've got the Bluetooth 5.3. They say this is leather. And 5 minutes to get 4 hours charge time. So I think, guys, this is possibly going to be a great video. So I'm going to be doing a full review shortly, and I'll be giving away a pair of these as well. So check links, but yeah, we'll get into more shortly.